In today's video, I'll be showing you 10 Adobe hacks that will make your workflow so much better. Let's get into it. Number 1, color sampling. Have you ever tried to copy the color from another shape but it copies the stroke as well? Well, if you click shift with the eyedropper tool and then click the desired color, it will actually only sample what you selected. 2. Color codes automatically. If you ever found yourself having to click the color codes numerous times in Illustrator for a project to get the correct color codes, there's actually an easy solution for this, done in under 15 seconds. All you need to do is open your swatches, select the shapes with the color that you need the color codes for, and head back to the swatches and click new swatch group. Then go to the 3 lines at the top right and click on create swatch info, and as you can see, all the info you need is quickly presented. 3. How to quickly duplicate objects. You probably duplicate objects in this method, which is perfectly fine, but what if there's much a faster way to do this with 2 keybinds? Let's create our first shape and then hold Alt on our keyboard to make a duplicate. Now just click Ctrl D on your keyboard as many times as you want and watch the magic unfold. 4. How to create perfect curves. Creating perfect curves isn't always easy when it comes to the pen tool. However, let me tell you a quick trick using the pen tool, but also the curve tool. This will make it super simple to outline your sketch perfectly. The first time you want to do this is select a few points and create an outline based on the shape. But don't worry about the curves from now. Once that's done, we can then get the curvature tool to curve those lines and match our sketch. How to add weight to your designs with a simple tool. You can access this tool by clicking Shift W on your keyboard, and then you can just extend whatever part of the design you want. 6. How to easily draw inside of a shape. By clicking this icon right here, you're able to easily draw inside of a shape and no longer have to worry about fixing the design or erasing what you don't want. 7. How to easily fix the tracking between text. When trying to fix the tracking in text, which is the space between each letter, it's much easier to reflect the text because it helps us not to be distracted by the design itself. You can do this by right-clicking the text and going to transform and then reflect. 8. How to quickly customize fonts in Illustrator. All you need to do is choose your font of choice, then head over to Type, Create Outline, which essentially will outline your text, and then right-click the outline and select Ungroup. Now you just need to select the pencil tool, click on the letter you want to customize, and draw away. 9. How to quickly morph text to any shape. Let's morph text to a specific shape. The first thing you want to do is create your shape and then create your text. Like the previous step, you'll need to create an outline of the text and then arrange it back. Once that's done, select both and go to Object, Envelope, Distort. This should create the effect of the shape using the text. 10. How to create seamless patterns. You want to start off by adding in your pattern of choice. You can do this with any shape or illustration, then go to Object, Pattern, and Make. After that, a menu will pop up where you can play with the settings, but for now, let's focus on the rectangle in the middle. This is where you'll edit the pattern, and as you can see, everything we change here adds to the other parts. Once you've completed the pattern, we can then click Done. Now we'll get a random shape and change the swatch to the pattern we just created.